Hello internet world, welcome to the very best cases for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. These were very kindly sent in to me free of charge by MobileFun. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular nor to pre-approve this video. I just wanted to share with you my sort of picks of these cases so that you can make an informed buying decision and protect your new investment. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is a fantastic phone and it certainly needs a really good case. So without further ado, let's take a look at some of my favourites. This is the official Samsung case, the flap leather cover for the Galaxy Z Flip 4. It's available in a range of different colours. Here I've got the sort of lilac-y purple colour. This is what the product packaging looks like. And we also get some installation instructions inside the box. And then this is how it comes presented. It's on this sort of backing card. And when you remove it, you'll see exactly how the case works. We've got two sort of adhesive strips here. You need to peel these off and then put the case onto your phone. And then it's got this middle portion that slides in and out like so. And this is what it allows it to expand. As you're opening and closing the phone, this portion allows the case to move accordingly. It's very important that you put this on correctly and that you get these strips aligned and everything pushed up nice and tight so that you get a really good fit in the case. So this is the lilac purple colour. It's also available in this really nice sort of graphite black colour as well. And we can see how it fits. So we've got this edge here, you can see the hinge is protected as well. We've got a cutout for the front display. And then we've also got cutouts on the side for the fingerprint sensor. The button for the volume up and down is integrated. It's done really nicely. And then of course cutouts for the ports. And then we've got some Samsung branding on the bottom edge there. It fits really nicely. And when it's open, let's just unlock my phone. You can see the fit and finish is absolutely superb on this case. Have a look at it from this side. Very, very nice indeed. And then as we close it, you'll see this portion that slides actually move. So very, very nicely engineered case. This is the flap leather cover for the Galaxy Z Flip 4. This is the silicone cover with strap for the Galaxy Z Flip 4. It's an official Samsung case. Really different case here from Samsung. It comes supplied in this box on this cardboard backing sleeve. We also get some installation instructions, and then this sheet is over the front here just to protect the case during transit. And if we take a closer look at the case, we just remove it from its cardboard backing, you'll see that it's got this sort of material strip here. We've also got some adhesive pieces, so we need to remove these films to install the top portion and the bottom portion onto the actual phone. And then it folds when it's in its folded position. Obviously this sort of piece of material moves, it expands to allow the phone to fold. It says flip on the underside there. It looks really nice, and it's got this sort of strap and then this little piece here which you could clip onto a belt, I suppose, or a neck strap or a lanyard, something like that. So it's got that added functionality. It says it's a silicone cover and it has got some flex, but it is quite a rigid case. And it would work in a similar fashion to the leather cover that you can get for the Z Flip 4. So you can see here we've got this covered portion here, and we can open the phone like so. So it works in a similar fashion to this case, except instead of it being leather, it's silicone with this fabric strip in the middle. I think it's really unique in its design, and I think Samsung have done a fantastic job on their range of cases for the new Z Flip 4. So I've got 4 more cases here for the Z Flip 4, all from MobileFun. The favourite case of mine so far during my testing period is definitely the official Samsung leather case. And the reason I haven't removed it is because it's got these adhesive strips and it's really tricky to install. But I did try these over the past week or so, and each one of them offers up a different price point, of course, and also different levels of protection. One of my favourite companies that make cases for smartphones is Rink. This is one of their very simple cases. This is their slim case, and you can see here it's got like a rubberized sort of finish, or a soft touch finish to the outside, cutouts around the outside as well, and it works very, very well, with one exception is there's no protection to the hinge. So this is just like a snap-on case, very easy to install and remove, and offers up a decent amount of protection, and it just looks very, very lightweight and very stylish. We've also got some cases from Elixir. This one here, I forget the name, let's just turn this over. This is the fingering case, and this one here again is a soft touch case cut out for that front facing screen, and a snap-on case again, and obviously when it's folded we've got a little tiny bit of protection to the hinge in the middle, but these parts remain exposed. And then you've got this fingering. Well, my finger won't quite fit in there, but the idea is you can use this to hold the phone and make sure you're not going to accidentally drop it. So I like the idea of this. It looks very stylish and offers up, again, minimal protection, but very, very lightweight. It's not going to add on too much bulk to your phone. And then we've got this one here, which has got this carbon fibre effect. This is really nice. This is the Elixir carbon fibre case in purple, and I think this is a really nice finish. Just look at this, we've got the contrasting black edges. Again, it's a snap-on case, so very easy to install and remove, and very, very comfortable to hold. It's got some textured grip on the pattern side. So very, very nice case, really well engineered, and again, a nice lightweight case that's not going to add on too much bulk to your Z Flip 4. And then last but not least, we've got this one here, and again let's just take a look at the back. This is the Exo Shield for the Z Flip 4. This is another one you're going to need to stick on. So it's not going to stick on permanently, but you're going to use these adhesive strips to mount both the top portion and the bottom portion to your Z Flip 4. And then when it's in place, so it is a clip-on or slide-on design, once it's in place, it's going to be a little bit more tricky to remove, but still possible to swap cases out. And this offers up a bit more shock protection. It's a lot thicker gauge case, and because it's transparent, it allows you to see the nice design of your Z Flip 4 through the case. So that's another option for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. There's a really good range of cases here for the Z Flip 4, and it's definitely worth protecting your investment. I think the design of the phone is beautiful, and being able to protect it in such a stylish way is really very, very good indeed. If you want to pick up any of these cases at all, please do check out the links down in the video description. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know in the comments section below which one is your favourite, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon.